Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar, starting with understanding mathematics. Here, my first topic is work and time, work and wages. Work is done by all of us, work is done by machines, work is done by animals. Based on varied professions, different types of works are there and have wages accordingly. Work is always done with respect to time, and wages also always with respect to time. Work means total work units, means a work, a cistern, or a tank. Time means total time units, means time taken to complete the work to fill the tank. If a worker charges rupees 300 for 6 hours work in a day, means 600 for 2 days work. Working with same rate means 6 hours per day. It shows more days work, more wages, less days work, less wages. Work and time relation. As work is done with respect to time, so work done in an unit time is called efficiency or output of the worker. Worker may be men, women, boys, taps or pipes. EWT concept. E efficiency, W work, T time. So efficiency is work divided by time, means 1 day work or 1 hour work. How to remember EWT? EWT. E refers every W worker takes time. Every worker takes time, and EWT earns wages based on time. Ratio of efficiency is the ratio of wages also, and ratio of time is opposite to efficiency ratio. Efficiency is equal to work divided by time, time equal to work divided by efficiency, work is equal to efficiency into time. Total work divided by total times gives efficiency. Total time multiplied by efficiency gives total work units. Total work divided by efficiency gives total time taken. Efficiency or output is identified by words like 4 units of work per hour, 15 liter per hour, SSW to DW. Here SS means single, W means worker. Single worker to D for double, W for worker. Single worker to double worker. Example: A can do a work in 15 days and B can do the same work in 10 days. Together they can do the same work in how many days? Solution: A is 1 day work 1 by 15, B is 1 day work 1 by 10, A plus B is 1 day work 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Taking LCM 30, 15 divides 30 2 times and 10 divides 30 by 3 times. So 2 plus 3 divided by 30 equal to 5 by 30. Opposite of 1 day work is total time taken. So 30 divided by 5 equal to 6 days. XY concept. Here X means total time taken by X men and Y means total time taken by Y men. So if they are working together, then the number of days taken by them can be calculated by this XY divided by X plus Y. Here 15 into 10 divided by 15 plus 10 equal to 150 divided by 25 means 6 days. In the competitive examination, this is very useful to answer quickly. Means if we know each man work doing days, easily doing work, together days can be found using this concept. I have shown it here. Man, time, work, efficiency. Man A and B. Time taken by them 15 days and 10 days. LCM of 15 and 30, 15 and 10, 30. So 30 divided by 15, 2 efficiency. 30 divided by 10, 3 efficiency. Efficiency is work divided by time, and time is work divided by efficiency. It shows time ratio inversely proportional to efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratio, as we have seen earlier, 3:2. So time ratio 2:3. Based on this, work equal to efficiency into time. So 3 unit of this one efficiency and 2 units of time, multiplying them together gives 6 units of work. Similarly, 2 units of efficiency into 3 units of time gives 6 units of work. Notable, LCM 30 is total work units. 2 and 3 are efficiencies, which are actually 2/30 and 3/30, wherein denominator being same is omitted for taking ratio of efficiencies, which is ratio of wages also. Double worker to single worker. Example, A together with B can do a work in 9 days. A alone can do a work in 15 days. In how many days B alone can do the same work? Here we have shown A plus B do the work in 9 days, A alone in 15 days. So based on A plus B and A, we have taken LCM as 45, and 45 divided by 9 gives efficiency 5 for A plus B, and 45 divided by 15 gives efficiency 3 for A. A plus B minus A gives value for the B man. So efficiency 5 minus 3 equal to 2 gives the value for B man. For B man, total work units 45, his efficiency 2, so 45 divided by 2 means 22.5 days is the time taken by B to complete the work. Wages. Example, A can do a work in 15 days and B can do the same work in 10 days. Together they did the same work and received rupees 1500 as their wages. What is the share of each? Here I have shown time taken by A 15 days, time taken by B 10 days. I have taken LCM of 15 and 10, that is 30. So 30 divided by 15 gives efficiency 2 and 30 divided by 10 gives efficiency 3. As ratio of efficiency is the ratio of wages, so in the case of ratio, the given values are multiplier of some variable. So 2 means 2x plus 3 means 3x equal to total wage value, that is 1500. So 3x plus 2x, 2x plus 3x equal to 5x, making it equal to 1500. So x equal to 1500 divided by 5 equal to 300. So A's share is 2x. 2x means 3 into 2 equal to 600. And B's share is 3x. So 3 into 300 equal to 900. 3% double worker to all three together means there are 3% like A, B, C, and they are working in a pair like A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. And the question is asked, they are working together. Here example is A and B can do a work in 10 days, B and C can do it in 15 days, C and A can do the same in 20 days. Together A, B and C can do this work in how many days? Here I have shown A plus B taken time of 10 days, B plus C taken time of 15 days, C plus A taken time of 20 days. So for the values of 10, 15 and 20, I have taken LCM as 60. So 60 divided by 10 giving efficiency 6, and 60 divided by 15 giving efficiency 4, 60 divided by 20 giving efficiency 3. Now adding all three together, A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A, and adding efficiencies 6 plus 4 plus 3. Here every value is repeating twice. So 2A plus 2B plus 2C, and efficiency summation is 13. Now taking 2 out because it is common for all, so twice into A plus B plus C giving efficiency 13. So A plus B plus C will give efficiency half of it means 13 by 2 equal to 6.5. So A plus B plus C can do the work in total work unit 60 divided by their efficiency 6.5 means 9 and 3 by 13 days. Example, A and B can do a work in 10 days, B and C can do it in 15 days, C and A can do the same in 20 days. Together A, B and C can do this work in how many days? Here this is the same question which was before few seconds. I have taken it ahead to show it clearly and shown further explanation of the same in this next slide also. Questions based on worker leaving or breaking the work in between and worker joining in between. Example, A can do a work in 8 days and B does the same in 5 days. They started working together, but due to sickness, A left the work after 2 days. Now the remaining work will be done by B in how many days? Here I have shown time taken by A 8 days, time taken by B 5 days. So total work units means LCM of 8 and 5 40. Now 40 divided by 8 gives efficiency of A5 and 40 divided by 5 gives efficiency of B8. Now A plus B work for 2 days, so their efficiency becomes 26 units. So in 2 days A plus B has done 26 units of work. Since A has left, now B is there. So for B, work units are left 40 minus 26 equal to 14, and his efficiency is 8 units per day. So he will do the 14 units of work in 14 divided by 8. Means B alone can do remaining work in 1 and 3/4 day. Another example is here. A can do a work in 8 days. He started working and after 2 days joined with B to complete the work in 4 days. For how many days B worked? Here I have shown A's 1 day work 1 by 8, A's 2 day work 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. So work left is 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. A plus B did 2 more days to complete 3 by 4 work. So in 1 day did 3 by 8 work. B's 1 day work 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8 equal to 2 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. B's 2 day work is 2 by 4. So time reverse of it means 4 by 2 equal to 2 days. Again I have shown it here in this tabular format. The men are A and B only, but initially A could do the work in 8 days, so his efficiency was 1 unit per day. Now A has done for 2 days work, so in 2 days he has done 2 units of work, and later on he worked another 2 days with B. So 2 plus 2 means 2 previous one and 2 later on, making it 4 days. So in 4 days A has done 4 units of work and B has done only for 2 days. So remaining 4 units of work is done by B in 2 days. So 4 divided by 2 equal to 2 units per day is the efficiency of B. So rightly B has done only for 2 days. Thanks for watching.